again, so I did. I'm browsing at Burlington again. Look at these pink shoes. Some Jordans. I really like them. I do. I like them. Look at them. Mm-hmm. Got the little security tag on there so nobody won't steal them. People really steal shoes out of Burlington. They nice. They nice and they my size. Mm-hmm. Yep. Look, they even got them in Lowe's. Same exact shoes, just highs or lows. These kind of cute too. And look, they got that security tag on there too. I must think people are gonna steal them. But hey, if they want them, they'll take them. I like these too. It's like a $10 price difference from these to the other ones. Go on and get you some shoes from Burlington as small as you can, because Quita said so.